This can occur when the algorithms used in AI are based on biased data or assumptions, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. To mitigate this risk, it is important to develop AI systems that are transparent and accountable. This means providing visibility into the data and algorithms that are used in these systems, and establishing clear standards for assessing the fairness and accuracy of their outputs. One of the challenges with AI is the difficulty of assigning accountability when something goes wrong. Because these systems are often complex and involve multiple stakeholders, it can be difficult to determine who is responsible for any negative outcomes that arise. To address this issue, it is important to establish clear lines of accountability and responsibility for AI systems. This can include creating regulatory frameworks that hold companies and organizations accountable for the actions of their AI systems, as well as developing processes for investigating and resolving disputes or issues that arise. As AI becomes more pervasive and impacts more aspects of our lives, it is important to consider how these technologies should be governed. This includes questions around how AI systems should be regulated, who should have access to them, and how their use should be monitored. To address these issues, it is important to engage in open and transparent discussions around the governance of AI. This includes working with stakeholders from a wide range of backgrounds, including government officials, industry leaders, and experts in ethics and technology, to develop frameworks that balance innovation with responsible use. Artificial intelligence is already starting to impact our daily lives in a variety of ways, and this trend is only going to continue in the coming years. From the algorithms that power our social media feeds to the voice assistants we use to control our homes, AI is becoming increasingly ubiquitous and integrated into our daily routines. One of the most significant ways that AI is impacting our lives is through the way we interact with technology. Advances in natural language processing and computer vision have made it possible to interact with technology in a more intuitive and human-like way, allowing us to accomplish tasks more quickly and efficiently than ever before. AI is also transforming the way we work.